Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world. Today, we're diving into a common phenomenon that many of us have observed but might not fully understand: those white lines planes leave behind in the sky. Strap in as we unravel the mystery behind contrails. Before we jump into the science, let's get a quick overview. Those white lines are known as contrails, short for condensation trails. Contrails are streaks of condensed water vapor that form in the wake of an aircraft, and they often leave a picturesque trail across the sky. Now let's talk about how contrails form. When an aircraft engine burns fuel, it produces water vapor as one of the byproducts. At high altitudes where the air is cold, this water vapor quickly condenses into tiny ice crystals. These ice crystals then form the visible streak we see in the sky, the contrail. Contrails can be categorized into two main types: short-lived contrails and persistent contrails. Short-lived contrails disappear relatively quickly as the ice crystals evaporate. On the other hand, persistent contrails can last for hours, spreading out and even forming cirrus clouds under certain atmospheric conditions. Now you might be wondering about the environmental impact of contrails. While they contribute to the overall cloud cover, their impact on climate is complex. On one hand, contrails can trap heat, contributing to a warming effect. On the other hand, they can also reflect sunlight, leading to a cooling effect. Scientists are actively studying these interactions to better understand their role in our changing climate. Before we conclude, let's debunk a common myth. Some people claim that contrails are actually chemicals being sprayed for sinister purposes. However, scientific evidence overwhelmingly supports the fact that contrails are just condensed water vapor and pose no threat to our health. In conclusion, those white lines in the sky are nothing more than contrails, a natural byproduct of aircraft engine combustion. They may look mysterious, but it's all about the science of water vapor and atmospheric conditions. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.